Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Carnitine 3000 liquid. This supplement is known for its role in energy production, helping your body convert fat into fuel. It's a popular choice for those looking to support their metabolism and enhance exercise performance. Understanding the correct way to take it ensures you get the most out of its benefits. We'll cover dosage, timing, and important considerations for safe and effective use. For optimal results, aim to take your L-Carnitine 3000 liquid about 20 to 30 minutes before your exercise session. This timing allows the supplement to be absorbed and ready to assist with energy production during your workout. Some people find taking it with a meal, especially one containing carbohydrates, can improve absorption. Always follow the specific instructions on your product label for precise dosage. To truly maximize the benefits of L-Carnitine 3000 liquid, integrate it into a healthy lifestyle. This means maintaining a balanced diet rich in nutrients and engaging in consistent physical activity. Remember, supplements work best when supporting a solid foundation of good habits. Proper storage is also important. Keep your liquid L-Carnitine in a cool, dry place to maintain its potency. While L-Carnitine 3000 liquid is generally well tolerated, some individuals might experience mild digestive issues like nausea or stomach discomfort. It's crucial to stick to the recommended dosage and never exceed it, as higher amounts do not necessarily mean better results and could lead to adverse effects. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking other medications, consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.